Hi, are you ready for this unboxing from Chanel? I have two boxes with me here. Let's open the big one. What do you think? Big one. This is the big one. I'm so excited. It has been there for over a week. And I didn't open it at all. You know, the usual. Oh, what did I buy? Wow. Okay. Let's start first with my samples, which is the normal because they don't have something new. Relevée Serum, makeup remover for traveling, they are so good. Eyeshadow palette, 78 Rivage. Wow, I love the packaging. See, it's here. I love that. Gorgeous. And if you see it has the packaging itself the same. You can see it. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Pouch as always. See, in white the normal one, and here is the palette. Oh, let me have it. I will not swatch, but because definitely have other videos swatches, and I always believe Chanel in eyeshadow swatches is not the best of the best. Let's see how beautiful. Okay, this is Rivage 78. Okay, next we have Coquillage 88. You know what? I was in the beginning, I'm going to have this one, buy this one, and don't buy the Rivage. And Neri, you always regret, buy the whole collection. And if you want to return something, I can, but so far, I don't think I'll. Ah, here they changed the colors here. Pink. Coral pink, yeah, and here the pink. Pink. I love that. Oh, beautiful. Okay, let's open it. Was no regrets whatsoever for summer and spring and summer. Can use only one shade. Love it. The blush first. Roses. Coquillage. Coquillage means shells. Coquillage. And again, I love the box. Yeah. Couch. I have this nice brush. It's nice. Very nice. Very nice. Last but definitely not least, highlighter Lumièredel'ocean. I love all the packaging, to be honest with you. Mermaid, little mermaid in the ocean. See? Definitely, yeah. Wow. Oh. I'm impressed. This was my Chanel haul unboxing with me, wherever you call it. Please, if you like my video, give me a huge thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on my next one.